Let's practice place value sections. We're going to do the problem 552 divided by 3. We're going to see how many groups of 3 fit into 552. So the very first thing we're going to need to do is create our place value section boxes. So how many digits are in my dividend, which is my largest number? 552. There are 3 digits, which means we're going to go 3 place values, ones, tens, to the hundreds. So I'm going to draw my rectangle and split it into my 3 place values. I have hundreds, tens, and a spot for my ones. The next thing I'm going to do is write my divisor on the outside of the box, which is 3. In the inside top of the first box, I'm going to write my dividend. Now, I know I can use 100 groups of 3. What's 100 times 3? 300. I can try that. Or I could move it up to 200. Let's try 200. What's 200 groups of 3? Well, 3 times 2 is 6. Add my 2 zeros. That's 600. That's too high. I only have 552. So I'm going to use 100 groups of 3. 100 times 3 is 300. Next, I'll subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 0 is 5. And 5 minus 3 is 2. What I have left is now going to be moved into my tens section. Now I know I'm going to have groups of 10 times 3. So how many groups of 10 times 3 can I use to get closest to 252? Well, 10 times 3 is 30, and I know I need to go much higher. Let's look at these first 2 digits right here. What times 3 gets me closest to 25? Well, 7 groups of 3 is 21. 8 groups of 3 is 24. So I'm going to try 80 groups of 3. 8 times 3 is 24. My 0 down. Let's see what I have left. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. I have 12 left. I'm now going to transfer that into my last box here. 12 at the top. That's a math fact. How many groups of 3 equal 12? 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract. Don't have anything left, which means my remainder is 0. Now I need to just add these up to find my quotient. 100 plus 80 plus 4 equals 184. 552 divided by 3 equals 184. And that is place value sections.